take the 145 for exit 161, headed to Fostoria. I'd like to give a shout out to our friends in Lindsay and our friends Kat and Brayden over in Indianapolis.
Oh, and say as well.
And say for the festival goes well today. Almost can do that. Enjoy the ride.
In the rain.
Yeah.
But that's okay. So I'm sure. That's okay. I'm sure everyone could probably a rainy interstate video. And they got to tell them. You got to tell our audience what interstate we're on.
Oh, not interstate something.
75. We're on I-75.
I did the end of most of these. Let's see what they got in this vending machine.
Looks like the rain's starting to light up just a tad.
Oh, lightens up, don't they? Leave a heavier rain that way.
And we drove right through it.
Oh, goodness.
Thank God that crap's done. Now we're in the light rain.
Findlay, Bowling Green, Toledo. I give one rain for you to me. I'm going to leave you to. I'll be an even happier man if the rain stops. I read up on something about them. I guess the way they were designed, it was a bad design.
Yeah.
Especially once they made for that road rail.
Oh, you can turn your wipers off.
From what I read,
Lighten up.
from what I read, they retired the road railer back in August of 2024.
8100 led the last one.
Goodbye road railer, no double stacking. It's replacements. So I read about that in one of my trains magazines.
Huh.
I don't know if I have the issue or not. One of the issues of Trains magazine they came out with had the Muncie Diamonds.
Ah.
They're talking about it in their favorite rail fanning spot. Yeah, you got that right. Little kid Logan told me last night, so I'm having a great time today, making new friends, new place. Yeah.
You caught 29A yesterday.
Yeah. No, I caught 29A and caught 28C. We did.
Well, we got 26.
26. 28C was able. We saw a lot of pretty good stuff yesterday.
Well, wait till we get to Fostoria.
that kind of shocked me. I said, "Hey, we got your train coming, guys. We're ready." Then we around that curve, we thought it was NS. Nope. Kansas City Southern. Not really surprised that kid. I was like, whoa. And on top of that, it was an ace leader. Friendly guy, friendly engineer too. He's the one that's smoking that big fat cigar. I said, get rid of that cigar. But hey, there was a lot of friendly crew yesterday though. Some of them were a-holes.
Yeah, the crew 131 was an a-hole.
Yeah. You get the big FU.
Another one.
That looks like those hub group and EMP trailers.
I think that was the EMP.
Usually if I'm standing on the mold line, they got the back door behind line 2 open. I can look out, and if I see green containers fly by, I say, yep, that's a double stack. So that's either 28, 26C, or 29A going through at that time. Because those are the only, besides 29F, are the only 4 double stacks that come through Newcastle. I'm aware of.
Yeah, 29F, you have to get up in the middle of the night to see it.
Hell no.
Yeah.
I'm just happy seeing 28, 26C, and 29A. I'm happy with
The only time if you get 29F is only if he's running really late. I've seen him before. And you can blame 29A for it. He was 1 up front and 2 in the middle when I got 29F.
Oh, really?
Yep. I think it was the day that we had all those bad storms. Yep. What the? This could be your last text? What the heck?
Yeah. So you're busted. But I was glad I got to see the Birmingham yesterday. That made me a happy man right there.
I'm glad I told you it was coming.
Yep. Well, thank you for that.
Not a problem. When you drove by the shop, I just almost couldn't understand what you were saying. That's why I had to step out.
Yeah, some 29A just came through. I had to tell you, hurry and drive on if somebody came up behind me.
Yeah. That's what had you call me.
You wanted me to let you know when it came through, and that's what I was doing.
That's what had you call me.
Yeah, I probably should have.
Made it a little bit easier so I don't have to step outside.
Yeah.
Kat was on the phone at that time. But I told her I apologized for it. It's all behind us, though. Yeah. Yeah, good. Take it south.
So hopefully we drive back home. We don't drive in the middle of it on the way back home.
Yeah, I'll have to look at radar for that.
How tired I am to determine if I stay out late tonight.
Which I'm probably going to say no. Unless there's something really good.
We can go through lunch and check towers and shit.
Yeah. And I remember the last time that happened to us when we went to Indy. You probably remember what happened.
Yeah.
Train meet.
We must have had a train race yesterday. I thought that one train was going through.
Oh yeah, that 314.
314 with this. I'm seeing what I think I'm seeing. Because I keep getting as close to the track like this. And I had to wait for the train to finally move. And I got over and said, yep, I see what I thought I saw. Another train coming.
But he had to wait for 189.
So we get 2 for the price of 1 trains today. And I'm perfectly fine with that.
And we caught that grain train too. And then you took me home and I heard 26C's horn.
Why did we caught that one?
We're almost to Findlay. Actually, we're outside Findlay.
I got into the house. My ex-wife had no idea. I came to the door.
Mm-hmm.
She was in her room talking to whatever he is. So I said, hell with it. I got a sip of water and went straight to bed.
I wonder if she said something to you about today.
She hasn't yet. I'll probably hear her mouth and hear her flow when I get home. ain't the boss of me, you never have been, and you never will be.
Yep.
So leave me alone.
Yep.
Where's that exit?
That's 156
It's
coming
coming
up.
up slowly.
161 is what you want. We're in Findlay.
3-lane highway.
The first time I went the first time I went to Fostoria, it was a mess.
This road was?
It was under construction.
Hey, thank goodness it's done now.
It's been done for
Nice road.
a while.
Feels weird when you drive.
Yeah.
At least it's smooth. Smooth sailing. 4 more exits until
It's 157 coming up.
8, 9, 60, 3 more.
There's no 158 or 160.
Yeah, that's good.
159 is the next exit.
Hancock County Fairgrounds.
Welcome to Findlay.
Welcome to Findlay. There's 159. Drive-in storage.
That's a nice name.
Flag City, USA. Wave that flag proud.
It's America.
Happy 250th birthday, America. I can't believe when it says that one.
Left lane closed 2 miles.
Rest in peace, y'all.
Oh, jeez. And that's probably a bad spot for a cemetery to be at.
Yeah.
Right by an interstate.
Yeah. Imagine if the dead could feel the rumbling of the traffic.
Yeah.
Not picture the world's best pancakes.
Cracker Barrel.
What exit is this?
159. So 161 is the next one. Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Good Lord.
Thank you.
Alright.
Ugh.
So 161 is our next exit, and that's the exit we want.
City Express by Marriott. $59 a night.
Jeez.
Not really. I don't know.
Oh, look, AMC.
Yeah,
Right by an interstate.
that's cool. Is it open?
It doesn't look like it.
So you make one of those places closed for good. Now, who's going to go to a movie at 10 in the morning?
I'd probably stay in this lane, even though we got a semi in front of us.
Yeah, here we go again.
Yay.
Damn it. I thought we done that shit.
Our exit's coming up.
I had to turn off the cruise control.
Yeah, because you'll be getting off. Well, we'll be getting off.
Racetrack.
What?
Must be a restaurant of some kind.
Yeah.
I'm not even thinking about lunch right now. I'm just worried about getting to Fostoria and getting parked.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on gas prices around the area too.
366 right
We
here.
have to gas up, so which we probably will here soon.
Here's our exit.
Top the tank off. Because I don't want to go far above half, because the more it goes up, the more I have to put in.
Yeah.
Right about now, rather time now,
Yeah.
I put $20 in it, $20 will fill it up.
You'll be going right.
$20 will top it off. Oh, it's a racetrack and gas station. Which lane do I need in?
Stay in